I'm
not sure whether I
into
want-
obhinqileyo
A woman
enokubonisa le nto
that I can
sometimes
show.
abantu baswela ulwazi.
Sometimes people lack knowledge.
Eyi.
The person.
Mandifumane umuntu ongatshatanga so that
Let me
ndikwazi
get a
ukwazi.
person who is single
And then,
so that I can.
and then ufumane umfana ongatshatanga
And
nentombi
then get
engatshatanga.
a young man who's not also not married.
Yes. Yeah. Mhlawumbi lo mzekelo uzawubangela
Maybe
ngomso
this
usikeleleke
example will,
ngomyeni.
maybe it will make you to be blessed with a husband tomorrow.
Okay. Usekhona?
Are you still here?
Alright, come.
Isa.
Iza kweli cala.
Come.
Ndifuna owesibini.
I
No,
want the
ndifuna laba bathayithi xa
I
benxibile.
want those ones who
Hlala
are
phansi.
tight.
Ndifuna laba nxiba tight.
Those ones who are wearing tight jeans when they are.
Aba baba tight.
Those
Can you stand up?
Oh,
So asikujaji ne.
We don't
Just
judge
ukwenza
you.
umzekelo
We
nje.
just want to
Yes.
make an example.
Yes, sifuna ukwenza umzekelo nje.
Just want to
Come.
make an example.
Iza kwenza.
Isa.
Sifuna ukwenza umzekelo.
I just want to make an example.
Ikhona indoda engatshatanga?
Is there a man that is not
You can
married?
come. Awukatshati mos.
Are you not married?
Mhlawumbi into
Maybe
izakwenza uba.
this will make you.
Now, masithi ke ngoko
Now, let's say,
isakwecala.
come this side.
Uhamba nowakwakho,
You are
whether
walking-
ngumyeni wakho, boyfriend yakho,
Husband or
but akusele
boyfriend,
uhamba nale ndoda uhamba
but you are
nayo.
walking with this man.
Okay? You know, ukho le ndlela ninxiba ngayo.
There's this way that you
Stomach
dress.
out. Eh?
This thing, stomach out.
Yes. Now bayabamba
Now,
baphaya.
here are they.
Sele thina singa la madoda azawuma
And
kwecala.
we are these men.
Sesiyaza.
That will
Sesiyaza.
come.
Masizini. Sulala. Na? Bantu babhinqileyo.
Women.
Funa nijonge le.
I want you to look at this.
Okay? So mbamba ke.
So hold each other
Yeah.
hands.
Stomach out.
And this is stomach out.
Stomach out.
Stomach out.
Okay? So nihamba nobayi-2.
No, you are walking both
Huh?
of you.
Nijonge ngapha.
And you are looking this direction.
Wena umbona stomach out.
And you don't see the stomach
But
out.
it's sithi madoda abona
But
stomach
it's
out.
us as men who see the stomach out.
Now uyahamba
Now
nowakwakho.
you are walking with your own wife.
Stomach out.
Stom-
But wena mntu anana
you-
bekunxityelwe wena lo
Whether
stomach
the
out
stomach
ha?
was wet for
Okanye
you
bekunxityelwe kwandoda
or
ngoba
was for
ngoku
every
wena
man.
ulapha kule ndawo
Now you are here
awuhamba ukrobile ustomach out.
and you are not the one
But
looking
la
at the
madoda
stomach
kweli
out.
cala lingapha
But the men on
ngawa
this
kukho
side
stomach
are
out.
the ones looking at
So
the stomach
unxibele bani phakathi
So,
kwalo
who are you wearing
uhamba
this
nayo
to?
okanye abaya?
Between this one you are walking with or those
Because
ones.
lo uhamba nayo
Because the
akamboni
one you are
ustomach
walking with,
out.
it doesn't see the stomach out.
So ngobani abajonga ustomach out?
So who sees the stomach out?
Ibonisa ntoni le nto?
What does this reveal?
Abantu baswela ulwazi.
People lack
Ukuze
knowledge.
ukona baswela ulwazi abazazi
Knowledge.
babona ngoba enxibe
They don't
ngolaa
know
hlobo
why
into
they are
yoba
wearing that
lo
way.
hlobo anxibe ngalo
The way that she's
uhamba
dressing.
nendoda yakhe kodwa ubukwa ngamanye
She's
amadoda.
walking with her man, but she's looked at by other men.
Ungene mall
She
ayophuma
enters the mall
lo
and
mfaka
ends.
kwazi ubuka
And
ustomach
this
out.
man can't watch stomach out.
Ubheke erenkini
Goes to the
ubukwa
taxi
nonoteksi
rank,
pha
and the
erenkini.
taxi drivers are
Laa
looking
mfa uhamba naye
at
akakwazi
that
ukubuka.
man is unable to watch.
So unxibele bani?
So who are you dressing for?
So masele umfumene umntu
When you
wakho
have found your own
kufanele uba
person,
xa unxiba ngokucinge
suppose
ngomntu
when you
wakho.
dress, you're thinking about your own
Ungathi
man.
xa unxiba ngokunxibele abantu
Not
babanye
dressing
abantu.
for other people's men.
Ngoba ngoku ngabo babuka wena.
They are the ones now watching you.
Loo nto ibonisa emhlabeni abantu
shows on
bagcwele
earth
ukungabi nalwazi.
People lack knowledge.
Baswele ulwazi.
People lack knowledge.
Baswele ulwazi.
People lack knowledge.
Even noma ngasemva
Even if
uyaqala unxiba tight
you tell
too
yourself
much.
you wear tight
Uhamba
too much.
uhamba nowakho wakho
You
phaa
are
phambili.
walking with him.
Ngobani ababuka
Who
ngasemva?
are the people
Ngala
that are
madoda
watching
ngasemva.
behind? It's the man from the back.
Hayi besidlula
No, we
bazalwane.
were just passing.
Just ubonisa into yobana
Just to
abantu
show you
baswele
that people
ulwazi.
lack knowledge.
Ubabona behamba
You
abayazi
see
into
them when they are
abayenza
walking
kwalapha
around. Hey, they
kubo.
don't know what they are doing even to themselves.
Abayazi into
They
abayenza
don't know
kwalapha
what
kubo.
they are doing to their own selves.
Senditsho ubana umfumene mos.
Now you have found
Umfumene umfana
you
wakho.
have found your young man.
So how can ba ke ngoku indlela onxiba ngayo
How
uba
can the way
unxiba
you dress
ubukise laba?
is still showing these ones.
Ikhona indlela yonxiba
There's
omele
a way of
unxibe ngayo
dressing that you
ngaphakathi
should
endlini
dress
yakho.
inside your
Awunophuma
house.
ngaphandle.
You can't go outside.
So ustomach out ungamnxiba endlini yakho ngaphakathi.
Out, you can wear it while you are inside your
Awunophuma
house.
ngaphandle.
You
Kodwa the
can't
moment uphuma
leave.
ngaphandle
Because the moment
ngoku
you go out,
owakwakho ubambene naye so.
you are holding your wife like this.
So ustomach out ngoku
So
uphi?
stomach out now, where is it?
Naw ndifuna nani bantu babhenqele
Now, I want
batshatileyo
you
ka
women
ucinge
one
ke
day
ngoku.
to think.
Uhamba nomyeni wakho.
Now you are walking with your husband.
So kuyanyanzeka le ndoda xa udlula
So,
nalo
this man,
stomach
when you
okanye
pass
neso
the
skate sakho
Your
si-tight
skirt
too
that is
much.
so tight. too much.
Iyanyanzeka laa ndoda mayijike.
That man has to turn.
Izodlula nomyeni wakhe ijika
As you
kunye
are
nawo.
passing with your wife is turning.
Uzawuthi yatsha sathana.
Say fire,
No.
devil.
No. Nguwe awukwazi
You
ukunxibela
are the
umyeni
one
wakho.
who's unable to wear
Udlulile
clothes for your own
ngokunxibela
husband. Now you
amanye
have
amadoda.
passed- you are wearing for other
Uswela
men.
ulwazi.
You are
Enkosi
lacking
singaphela
knowledge.
phansi
Thank you.
besidlula.
We may be seated, we're passing.
Ukhona oshayela eso sa.
Anyone clapping hands for Jesus?
Yeah.